Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use a concrete mixer. This is the Attica concrete mixer, and this is for home use, DIY. To start up, we have to get the power supply in it, and on the right side we can see a switch. 1 means rotation on, 0 means it's off. But do not go into the concrete mixer, or do not push on the circle part. That will hurt you. You are able to rotate the mixer, as you can see. On the bottom side there is a big lever for your shoes, and then you can push on it, and then you can rotate the concrete mixer. And here you can see how it works. On the side there is a rotation unit, and on the electronic side of the concrete mixer there's an electronic engine, and this will rotate your concrete mixer. Here, as you can see, do not push there with your fingers. This will harm you. So if it is running, only get in concrete or other liquids to mix them easily. If you finish the mixing process, lift it up and mix it, and then go to the bottom side and let it drain out. After you finish your work, switch it off and cut the power supply. Now it's safe to get in or on the device itself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.